Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes like a pro. Achieving fluffy, delicious pancakes starts with the right foundation. You'll need basic pantry staples like all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, eggs, milk, and melted butter. Always opt for fresh ingredients to ensure the best flavor and a perfect rise. Precision in measuring is key. It guarantees consistent, delightful results every single time you cook. The secret to tender pancakes lies in your mixing technique. First, whisk all your dry ingredients together in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, thoroughly combine your wet ingredients. Now, gently fold the wet mixture into the dry, mixing just until they are combined. It's perfectly fine and even desirable to have a few small lumps. Overmixing develops the gluten, leading to tough, chewy pancakes instead of light, airy ones. Cooking your pancakes perfectly requires attention to temperature. Preheat your griddle to a medium-low heat, ideally around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease the surface with a touch of butter or oil. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, allowing them space to spread. Flip them when you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges appear set, usually after about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once cooked, serve your golden brown pancakes immediately with your favorite toppings, perhaps a drizzle of maple syrup or fresh berries. If you're making a larger batch, keep the finished pancakes warm in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try adding blueberries, chocolate chips, or even a dash of cinnamon to your batter. A truly professional pancake is light, fluffy, and consistently delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.